Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Apple TV not working. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over and open up your App Store, and then on the search bar simply type in Apple TV and then tap on the app. Now here check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But for some reason if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over back to your home screen, then tap on your settings. Now inside settings, what you need to do is scroll down and then tap on general. Now inside general, tap on iPhone storage. Now here what you need to do is scroll down until you find the Apple TV app and then simply tap on it. And now on tapping you'll be provided with two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app which might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once that process is complete, all you gotta do is go back and then try again, and that will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.